Hello and welcome to my channel Knitting Kitty. Halloween is just around the corner, but you have enough time to crochet some small gifts for your little ones or make a spooky decoration for your home. Get into Halloween with these 5 easy to make ideas. In the description below you can find links for each one of the crochet project I'm going to show you. So let's get started. Number 1. When thinking of Halloween decor, first thing that comes to my mind are some spooky spiders. Well, here is one that is not so spooky, but it's really cute and funny spider you can crochet. The spider has a little hat that complements his look. It's only 4 centimeters tall and the legs are 5 centimeters long. You can crochet it as a keychain and attach it to your bag, or if you prefer, you can crochet it as a chain and you can hang it in some corner of your house. Halloween is one of the most anticipated holidays, especially by the kids. They wear all kinds of strange, funny or spooky costumes and they get tons and tons of sweets. Speaking of sweets, kids have to be well prepared. So here it comes idea number 2. This funny Frankenstein thread bag. It's 20.5 centimeters long and 17 centimeters wide. Enough space to keep a lot of candies. So it's the perfect gift for every kid. I'm pretty sure that not only the children enjoy Halloween, but the big ones too. So here comes my third idea for Halloween, a spooky Halloween mug cozy. I've used glowing in the dark yarn for the ghost and the final result is fabulous, especially at night. Just imagine sitting in the dark, watching a horror movie and taking a hot chocolate or tea in this cup. Fantastic! Finally, here are my favorite crochet projects for Halloween that I'm never tired of crocheting. Number 4 and number 5. Number 4 are my happy and smiling ghosts. They're 12 centimeters tall and they're perfect as Halloween decoration or as a cute gift for your little ones. To complete its look, here comes number 5, these colorful witch hats. You can use any color combination you like and the final result always will be so beautiful. You can crochet them as Halloween gifts, Halloween keychains, or just to complement the look of some other Halloween amigurumi you've made. No matter which Halloween project you choose, I hope that you enjoy it. So happy crocheting and see you soon!